Hi guys, these are the hand wraps I use for boxing. So this one's in the black color. It is made of 100% cotton. I know they have a lot of different colors, but I chose a black one. So it looks like this. It has a hole right here that you can put inside your thumb. So I'm gonna show you how I wrap it up. So we're gonna put the hole inside the thumb like this. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna want it to just roll it off like this, okay? So this is my left hand. So we're gonna put the finger in the thumb like this and then roll it around your wrist 3 times like this. So 1, 2, and then 3. Now you're gonna roll it around your knuckles right here 3 times. So you're gonna go 1, 2, and 3. And then now you're gonna go in between the fingers. So you're gonna go down here between your pinky and make an X around your thumb right here, right? So pinky, ring finger, make an X between the middle, and then the thumb, this is right here, gonna go like this, and then wrap it around the wrist, and then turn your hand facing you, okay? So what we're gonna do is go around the thumb here, like this, and then you're gonna go downwards around, and then wrap it around your wrist like this. So 1, 2, and 3, like this. And then now I have really small hands, so I have a lot of excess wrap, so I'm just gonna do like X's around, so like 1, 2, 1. Oh, I'm just gonna go around the wrist. And then at the bottom right here, it'll be Velcro. So we're going to wrap it around your wrist. And then, oh. So it has the Velcro right here, and you're just going to wrap it like that. And then your wrap is ready. This helps prevent your knuckles and your fingers from getting injured. So this is really important to put on before putting on your boxing gloves.